Hello neighbor, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Hippie Me. My channel is about fashion, makeup, and life in general, so if you like this video, I hope that you subscribe to my channel and set your notifications to all so you can keep in touch with everything going on here in the neighborhood. How are you? There's a lot going on in the news right now and I made a long video about it. I'll link it above. And I got very passionate in that video, so it might be an unusual way for you all to see me, but I was just being very honest. One of the things that I said in that video is that I wanted to feature more diverse brands here on my channel. That's basically what I'm doing today here with this mini haul, but also I just wanted to show you my mini haul. So the story of this haul, before the past couple weeks, the Ashley Stewart Instagram account every Thursday has a caption this picture contest. And here's the picture that they posted, and I submitted a caption and I ended up winning because I guess I'm a little bit funny. It's topical for a few weeks ago, back when all we were talking about was COVID-19. So I got a $100 gift card to Ashley Stewart. Thank you so much. And I think that stories like this of just like a good experience that a white person has with a brand that is very pro-black and employs a lot of black people and has a very like black image are important right now. So I really just wanted to put this story out there and show you the cute stuff that I got. The reason that I'm calling Ashley Stewart like a brand that's pro-black, I was trying really hard to find out if Ashley Stewart is a black-owned brand. What I did find was this really great article about Ashley Stewart from 2017 by Bloomberg News. I highly recommend that you read it. I'll link it in the description below. And that talks about the history of the brand and how it wasn't started by black people, but it has always been about black women, giving them options, giving them confidence boosting pieces to wear. And as you look at their Instagram and their website now, the models are very diverse. The styles are very like black inspired. So while Ashley Stewart is not a black owned brand, they are still, I think, a good example of diversity in fashion. And what I think is particularly important is the history of this brand, founded in 1991 by a guy who was a mix of Spanish and Jewish, and the passion that he felt in his heart to provide fashionable, fun clothing, professional clothing for women of color, especially now as all of us as white people are like, what do we do to make the world better, to make race relations better? It's really heartwarming to me to see this guy back in the 90s, you know, back before social media and the types of conversations we're having today, saw this need in the market, and maybe this wasn't the conscious thought in his head, but he was a man with privilege and he created a company that was about providing opportunities and jobs and clothing and style specifically for women of color, which is one of the most underserved communities in America. And I think that that's a really good example of what we need to do right now as white people. I think that a lot of times the argument that I hear is about black people just work harder, do better, get educated, stay out of gangs, pull yourself up by your bootstraps, and you'll be able to succeed. But because of like employment discrimination, like identical resumes being sent out and the one with a white sounding name at the top gets double the interview requests as the one with a black sounding name at the top, even though the resume is identical. That kind of stuff makes it hard for even the most societally compliant, well-educated, professional black person to just get the job that will give them the boost that they need to make that income, to improve their lives the way all the bootstrappers want them to. It shows how opportunity is a two-way street. You have the person who is in privilege already, and then the person who is trying to lift themselves up into that place. A lot of times, this person can only go so far until this person who already has the privilege opens the door to let this person in. They're standing at the door and knocking. There are so many well-educated, great personality, very professional, very passionate black people who are just as qualified and just as awesome as employees or employers who just need the people on this side who already have the privilege to just recognize that and open the door for them so that they can get in. There are a lot of people who've been able to do it on their own from the ground up, but wouldn't it be so much easier if the people who already have the privilege and already have the power can open the door for them so they don't have to break it down? That's what we as white people who already have the privilege can do. But I don't want to get back on a tangent. So I love Ashley Stewart because it's always been diverse. The owner was Spanish and Jewish, which a lot of people don't even view as being white. As of the 2017 article that I read in Bloomberg, the CEO is an Asian man who has an African American wife. So it's always been about supporting women of color, people of color, and so that's one of the reasons that I just love this brand so much. I felt very honored to win the Instagram contest. I think that it might be a little while still before that contest comes back. If you have a sense of humor and if you like getting gift cards, go follow Ashley Stewart on Instagram if you don't already, and enter their Thursday caption contest. While you're there, you can give me a follow too if you want. This is a little haul that I got of mostly just like stuff that I thought was cute and that I needed. And I just want to show you because I'm looking at it and it's all really like cool and I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna give all these clothes a try on for you and let you know my perspective on them as a plus size tall and curvy lady. I'll show you my measurements in a second. But also I just really wanted to give Ashley Stewart some love because of all the good things that they stand for. I actually only spent about $15. I think I spent $15.94 of my own money after the $100 gift card. So close, but it was actually $15.42. I think I got free shipping too. Yes, you did get free shipping. So the first thing is this absolutely beautiful skirt. It's like a fit and flare skirt with this organza over a black lining. This is very soft. I really love the print and I love a floral that's kind of in these like warm autumnal colors because you can wear it like 3 seasons out of the year. And I also love how the waistband is flat in the front and then the elastic is just in the back. I feel like that's a super flattering look. I'm really excited about this skirt and I have a million ideas in mind of where I can wear it. And then this is kind of a boring piece, but I also got this like jersey black mock neck tank. If you watched my declutter videos at all, I mentioned that I have a black mock neck tank that I got like forever ago and that I've been meaning to replace. I used to wear it a lot in my early videos on this channel when I was only doing makeup, and this shirt I got to be like a replacement of that, and I actually wasn't expecting it to be the jersey material, but I'm really happy that it is because I love this fabric. So I got both the skirt and the shirt in a size 14-16. I'm gonna wear those both together for you. Let's see how they look. Okay, sorry it's just photos instead of film for the like reveal of the outfit. My boyfriend's not available to film me today. I absolutely love this skirt. It's really gorgeous. I love the length of it. I feel like it's perfect for me as a taller woman. This is a great brand for tall ladies. And also, how is it for you shorter ladies, like average or petite ladies? Are all of these things just way too long for you? Because this is a perfect length for me and I think it fits me really nicely. I love it. I love the color palette. It's like a hot, humid day today, but I still feel like, yeah, if I wanted to go somewhere in this skirt, I could. And then the shirt is perfect. It's just like simple, easy. I can use it definitely as a replacement for that one I was talking about in my declutter video. And these come in, I think, white as well, so I might stock up on a few of these because I absolutely love this look of like a simple black top that's fitted and then a fun flowy skirt. I can wear this to work, both the skirt and the shirt. I feel like this is a good like brunching skirt, as if I go brunching or for an event, you know. I just think it's super pretty. I don't have anything bad to say about this, and I feel really good in it too. So next. Okay, next up is this very soft, like gorgeous fabric maxi dress with these earth tones and these beautiful prints. I kind of feel like it's tie-dye, but like not exactly. Like painting, like watercolor painting, I guess. I don't know, but it's very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. This is a maxi dress, so it's kind of hard for me to talk about it without showing it to you. I got it in a size 18-20 to provide for my hips, so let's see if it does, I guess. Let's try it on. like this dress. The fabric, like I said, is very soft and comfortable. I love like the placement of the print with these diamonds in these very like flattering places that like creates that hourglass figure. I love it when designers think about stuff like that instead of just throwing a sheet of print on ya and you just kind of hope for the best. I think it's just a tiny bit too big for me. It's like a good feeling on my hips. It's not too tight, but it's a little big on top, but like it's okay. I'd rather have it be a little too big and actually fit my hips in a flattering way. Again, the length is pretty good. Maybe an inch short, but I'm 5'11", so it doesn't need to be perfect for me all the time. It's perfect enough. And I think if I had gotten this one size down, when it's a little bit tighter, it stretches out the fabric in a vertical way as well. So then I think I would have gotten that like extra inch. But it's okay with me, again, because of how nicely it fits my midsection and I don't feel like I'm like all bulging everywhere. This is a very nice, easy day dress. Okay, let's go on. Now the final piece, which like I said, it's a mini haul today. It's this chiffon like top, but also kind of an not overcoat, but like it has this beautiful print and this like elastic waist here, elastic at the wrist, so you get this really beautiful blousey sleeve. It's a high-low top, so you get this like nice tail going on with this vertical floral stripe print. I'm just super excited to try it on. The gypsy vibes in me are like super thrilled by seeing this piece. I got this one in a size 14-16. Let's see how it looks on. Okay, finally my gypsy fun top, which I think you can tell already that I love it. I just get real like Esmeralda vibes in this. She's one of my favorite Disney characters. Underrated, by the way. If you haven't seen Hunchback of Notre Dame, like watch it. It's relevant right now. But anyway, it's very fun. It's very long. It's very like nice and fitting and gives me that nice hourglass. I love like the amount of poof on the sleeve. Just because it's long sleeves, it's a little warm for summer, but I'm definitely gonna save it for the fall and the springtime. And I think, you know, when I get to work and I'm in an air-conditioned environment, it might be okay. I think it's really like unique and interesting and different. I've never seen anything like this before. Definitely not from a plus size brand, but just like in general, like I saw it and I was like, that is so cool. I have to at least get it and try it. And it gives me kind of like Anthropologie vibes. If you saw my Anthropologie video that I did a while back, I was saying like the pieces there, some of them are really beautiful and like are as printed as this, but I just didn't know where to wear them because they were just like long printed maxi dresses that they wanted me to pay like $200 for. And I was like, so what do I wear this to work, the weekend, to brunch, and am I gonna spend $200 on something that I don't know where to wear this? But this, by not being an entire dress, by just being a top and by being so open and being something that you layer, this is a really nice piece to have as an accent and as an interesting piece without it being like overwhelming the way that some like anthro dresses can be. Like I still want people to be able to look at me and talk to me and not just be like, wow, what a garment. Anyway, I really like this. I feel really cool in it. I feel really beautiful. It makes me happy. Okay, let's wrap up. So that was my Ashley Stewart mini haul. I hope that you enjoyed the pieces and I hope that you give me your opinions on them in the comments below. I do encourage you, again, to go follow Ashley Stewart on Instagram and participate in that Thursday caption contest. Just make somebody smile and I think that'll get you that award. And I also hope that you take this moment to support some Black-owned businesses, your local Black-owned businesses, especially if you're in an area where protests have turned into riots and looting and any of those businesses or nonprofits have been affected. Donate to those, support those businesses. It really kind of, you know, puts your money where your mouth is and it's tangible proof. Please do me a favor, and if you are a Black business owner or nonprofit owner or musician or artist or whatever, leave your links in the comments below. I would love to check them out, and certainly other people here in the neighborhood would also love to check you out, give you some support. I'm here for you and our neighborhood is here for you. Another form of tangible proof is getting out and voting. While we're here in social distancing, quarantine time, time, you have more free time on your hands, take 10 minutes and research who in your district is up for election, what do they think about race issues specifically. Racism is above party, so somebody from either party could be equipped to handle these issues. Could be a libertarian, could be an independent, who knows? And just make sure that you are registered to vote. It is easier than ever to register to vote. You can do it by mail or you can do it online, and I will provide a link in the description to register to vote online. Get out and vote the way that we are posting on Instagram, whether it's a mail-in ballot, an absentee ballot if you know you're going to be working that day, or if you go in person to a voting booth. Vote, vote, vote. It is easier than ever, and basically we kind of have no excuse at this point. I hope that you liked this video. It was a little bit random, a little bit different. Let me know your opinions on the pieces that I got. Did you see anything that you might like to get? While you're also leaving those comments about the video, if you liked the pieces, what you thought about them, checking out those local Black businesses and artists and entrepreneurs, because Black lives matter and we value them with our money as well as our words. I hope that you also, while you're down there, subscribe to my channel and set your notifications to all. The little neighborhood here on my channel is really growing and I'm super excited about it, guys. It really lets me know that you value my voice and my opinion, and I appreciate it so, so much, especially right now when a lot of people are afraid to say the wrong thing. You're telling me by subscribing that I am saying something right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and the fact that you are spending your time here with me. So much love. Bye.